Salesforce has announced its most recent quarterly earnings report for quarter 3 of the fiscal year 2021, and in response to that, the stock has declined over 10%. In this video, I'll discuss the last earnings report for Salesforce, their latest news about the company, and my strategy when it comes to Salesforce stock, whether I would be adding to my existing shares of CRM or whether I will be selling my stocks. Watch this video until the end and let me know what you think. Salesforce stock, which is listed on New York Stock Exchange with ticker symbol CRM, was last traded at $220.97 USD. This shows over 10% decline for the stock price after it announced its latest quarterly earnings report on December 1st, 2020. In that report, Salesforce announced a quarterly revenue of $5.42 billion, up 20% year over year. The company also announced GAAP operating margin of 4.1% and non-GAAP operating margin of 19.8%. What's more, Salesforce has raised its fiscal year 2021 revenue guidance to approximately $21.11 billion, up approximately 23% year over year. The cash generated from operations for the third quarter for Salesforce was $340 million, an increase of 14% year over year. Total cash equivalent, and marketable securities ended in the third quarter also was at $9.49 billion. An exciting news that was announced by Salesforce recently is their decision to acquire Slack. Slack is a proprietary business communication platform developed by American software company Slack Technologies, and it offers many internet relay chat style features, including chat rooms organized by topic, private groups, and direct messaging. Under the terms of agreement, Slack shareholders will receive $26.79 in cash and 0.0776 shares of Salesforce common stock for each Slack share, representing an enterprise value of approximately $27.7 billion based on the closing price of Salesforce common stock on November 30th, 2020. Combining Slack with Salesforce Customer 360 will be transformative for customers and the industry. The combination will create the operating system for the new way to work, uniquely enabling companies to grow and succeed in all digital world. Alright, with that said, let's take a closer look at the Salesforce stock and its fundamentals. Looking at Salesforce financial, we notice that the company's revenue has been steadily growing over the past several fiscal years. In fact, the year-over-year revenue growth is showing approximately 25% increase in the fiscal year ending in January 2020 compared to the year before. The double-digit revenue growth presents an exciting opportunity for investors who are looking to invest in a growing business. As for company's balance sheet, both their current assets and total assets well exceed their current liabilities and total liabilities, respectively, over the past several years. This results in a current ratio of over 1 for Salesforce, suggesting that the company has enough resources to meet its short-term obligations. Salesforce does not pay a dividend, and instead it's considered to be a growth stock. Looking at peer benchmark review, you notice that Salesforce has a market cap of over $200 billion. It had a one-year stock return of 41.3% compared to an average of only 8.3% return for the information technology sector. Despite a 12% decline in its stock price, Salesforce has well rewarded its patient investors. In fact, over the past 5 years, the Salesforce stock has grown by 169%. Salesforce is the global leader in customer relationship management, or CRM, bringing companies closer to their customer in digital age. Founded in 1999, Salesforce enables companies of every size and industry to take advantage of powerful technologies, including cloud, mobile, social, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, voice, and blockchain, to create a 360-degree view of their customers. You can see here in the graph how the Salesforce stock price has reacted after announcing its earnings report in the past several quarters. Within the past 5 quarterly earnings reports, the company's stock has decreased 4 out of 5 times after the earnings report was announced. This shows mostly a one-digit percentage decline, except for its most recent quarterly earnings where the decline was double-digit. The one time that stock price was up after the earnings report in the past 5 quarterly earnings was in August, when the stock price increased by over 30% to reach $272.32. It is worth mentioning that Salesforce 52-week stock high price sits at $284.50. This shows an upside potential of almost 29% if the Salesforce stock was to go back up and hit its already 52-week high price that it hit in the past 1 year. As for me, when it comes to Salesforce stock, I already have 3 shares of Salesforce in my Wealthsimple Trade portfolio. I did add one share to my existing position of Salesforce just a few days ago after the decline in the stock price. If I did have more free cash available in my trading account, I would definitely add to my existing positions. So I'm really hoping that the Salesforce stock price does not go up quickly over the next couple of days, so that I have enough time to kind of deposit more funds to my account and add to my existing positions of Salesforce. Definitely, I would not be selling my shares at all, although they are showing already a positive return. I would definitely keep them as is, and if possible, even add more to my existing shares of Salesforce in my portfolio. How about yourself? Do you own shares of Salesforce in your portfolio? Are you considering to add to your positions, or perhaps sell your existing positions and take advantage of the profits perhaps that you made so far? Let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to hear from you. I read through each and every comment and try to respond to them. There you have it, folks. I hope you found this video beneficial and you gained something of value from it. I really appreciate it if you can give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from this video as well. And don't forget to subscribe to Moementum channel. Here on Moementum, we post weekly videos about stock market investing, finances, and financial freedom. Hope to see you next time.